We already heated the molds. We just got the last ingots out of it. They are mega hot, I promise. They're every bit of still 500 degrees like it recommended. These are graphite molds. Why didn't you pour that one in full?
Because we don't have a lot of water on there.
You guys can see them start to solidify live here. They're still liquid right now. Now watch them solidify. It's really cool to see. Michael, the copper was fun. It has to get really hot. And it looks like you're pouring gold, which is really cool. They're probably aluminum, Shadow, depending on how much you crank on them, or there's some kind of alloy maybe.